And this is how we compute the standard deviation of a product or a quotient. So you have your example here, 4.10 positive plus minus 0.02 times 0.005 times plus minus 0.0001 divided by 1.97 times plus minus 0.04. So paano natin to i-compute? Okay, itong mga yung mga number natin dito, diretso mo na lang, 4.1 times 0.005 divided by 1.97, that will give you 0.010406. So, how about yung nasa loob ng parenthesis? Paano siya kukunin? So, ganito siya kukunin. And we obtain the RSD of our square root of the result by summing the squares of the RSD of A, B, and C, and then calculating the square root of the sum. So, SY divided by Y equivalent to square root of sample A divided by A squared plus sample B divided by B squared plus sample C divided by C squared. So, ganito. Kanina, yung example natin. So, 0.02, ilagay mo siya sa numerator. And then, i-divide mo siya ngayon doon sa partner niya na number. And then, plus, okay, 0.001 divided by 0.005 at plus 0.04 divided by 1.97. Okay, that will give you, kung i-compute mo yan lahat, and then that will give you plus minus 0.0289. Okay, to complete our computation or our calculation, ganito lang gagawin natin. Yung result doon sa taas, i-multiply natin yung sa result natin dito sa RSD natin para makompute natin yung absolute standard deviation. So, 0.104 times 0.0289, and that will give you 0.000301. So, how about standard deviation of sum or difference? Pag sum and difference na naman, katulad ng example dito. So, example, you have the given data, plus minus 0.02, plus minus 0.03, plus minus 0.05. And ito lang yung formula. So, square root mo lang sila lahat, and then square dito sa loob, and then compute mo, and that will give you plus minus 0.06. So, in example 4-4, mayroon tayo ditong combination ng sum, difference, and product of the or quotient or standard deviation. So, example, ganito yung yung data natin. So, 14.3 plus minus 0.2 minus 11.6 plus minus 0.2 times 0.05 plus minus 0.001 divided by 820 plus minus 10 plus 1030 plus minus 5 times 42.3 plus minus 0.4. So, again, i-compute mo lang yan sila directly. So, 14.3 minus 11.6 times 0.05, yung numerator. Then, divided by 820 plus 1030 times 42.3. Then, yung answer doon, i-divide mo dito, and that will give you 1.725. But the question, ano yung standard deviation natin dito sa loob. Okay? So, yun na yun, yung kanina, no, na sabi ko, yung lahat dito sa taas, that will give you 0.135 divided by 78,255. That will give you 1.725 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So, dito sa loob question mark pa kasi iba-iba naman yung formula nila. Iba yung formula ng difference and sum. Iba din naman yung formula pag hinahanap natin yung product. Sabi ko kanina, unahin natin dito yung sa numerator. So, yung numerator natin, unahin natin yung minus. So, kahit na minus siya, pero ganito yung formula niya. So, standard deviation of A is equivalent to the square root of ito, plus minus 0.2 squared plus minus 0.2 squared, that will give you plus minus 0.283. Sa denominator naman, sa ilalim, ito na, 10 squared, then 5 squared, then 112. I-rewrite natin para hindi tayo ma-confuse. So, ito, 14.3 minus 11.6, that will give you 2.7. And then yung bago natin sa loob is 2.83. And then, i-copy lang natin yung times 0.050. Then, sa ilalim naman, as is lang, 820 plus 1,030, 1,850. Then, yung result dito, i-copy dyan. And then, ano na gawin dito kapag product na yung, yung hinahanap? So, ito na yung gagamitin natin sa taas na formula. So, as you can see here, SA, divide A. So, nasa likod lang yan kanina. Dire-diretso mo lang, plus mo lang lahat. Ito yung numerator, ito yung denominator. Huwag kayo malito, kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, yun sa taas ilagay. Ano yung number sa labas, yun yung ilagay sa ilalim. And then, that will give you 0.107. Okay, to obtain the absolute standard deviation, isusulat lang natin, 1.725 times and negative 6 times plus minus 0.107. And that will give you plus minus 0.185 times 10 to negative 6. So, kung i-round off natin, magiging 1.7, close and open parenthesis, plus minus 0.2 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Pwede din ganito pagkasulat. 1.725, close and open parenthesis, plus minus 0.185 times 10 to the negative 6.